Hi, today we will see what is today function in Tableau. So there are several functions in Tableau. So today is one of them. So in order to in order to use this function, we have to create one calculation field. So after creating this, I'll just name the title as a today, and after that, just type here today. So just select this function. So what actually this function does? This function returns the current date. So we can see here now, now today is the date of 28th April 2021. So if I click on apply and OK, so we can see here our field has been created. So if I take this field and drop it onto the text, and we can see here it is showing the year 2021, which is the present year is 2021 if we compare it to our actual date. So if I click on this drop down and select the exact date, so now we can see here, so it is showing the 28th of April 2021. So if we compare it to our present date, so we can see here on the right bottom on the screen, it is showing, so we can see here the date is today is the day 28th of April 2021. So we can compare this, so we can compare our output to our present date, so which are both of the same. So actually this function just return the current date. So this is how the today function works in Tableau. So thanks for watching this video and stay tuned for more.